Hello and welcome to the Brandt School application tutorial. My name is Caroline, and in the next few minutes I will be guiding you through the application process for the Master of Public Policy. In order to hand in your application, you need to register for the online application portal. The link can be found on our website. Let's go! This is our application portal. Now, if you are new here, please click this button and fill out the registration form. After the registration, you will receive a message to the email address provided, including the next steps. Please also check your spam folder for the no reply at uni-Erfurt mail address. Afterwards, you will be able to log into our application portal and start your application. After the registration process is complete, you can log into your application portal and start or edit your application. First, please select whether or not you require a visa before arriving in Germany. For this tutorial video, we will choose Yes. Please note that application deadlines for international students who need a visa are different from those for students who don't need a visa. Secondly, please let us know if and where you have obtained a degree. Now we are interested in your undergrad studies. Please fill in all the required information and don't forget to upload the degree certificate and your transcript of records. If you have more than one degree, please use the button below to add information about your previous degree. If you don't yet have a bachelor's degree, but you will soon be able to provide a certificate, please apply with your current transcript. The admissions committee will consider your application, and if you are offered conditional admission, you will be asked to submit your degree certificate. Now we need some information about your current status. If you are still studying, please check the corresponding box. This is the part of the application that relates to our admission requirements. Please make sure to upload all required documents and don't forget to indicate your total years of work experience. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have chosen the medium of instruction letter as proof of high English proficiency. But this is specific to the University of Ghana. If your medium of instruction isn't English, please submit one of the required English test certificates. We strongly encourage you to submit your application with the required certificate. However, if you do not have your English test certificate at the time of application, please submit your application without it. The admissions committee will review your application, and if you are offered conditional admission, you will be asked to submit your test results. This module requires you to upload your evidence of at least 1 year's work experience. Fill in all the required information and make sure that you upload the corresponding proof of work experience. We recommend that you use our template signed by your employer or supervisor. If your 1 year's work experience has not been within one company or organization, please provide evidence of all your experience totaling 1 year by clicking on the button below and adding a new module for each new employment or voluntary work. If you have applied for a scholarship, please let us know here. This is the final step in the application process. We would be very grateful if you could take some time to complete this optional survey. After clicking Next, you will see an overview of your application. Please check that everything is correct. When you are finished, check the box to confirm that everything is in order, and don't forget to actually submit your application. Thank you very much for your time, and good luck with your application.